It's bigger than I thought.
Don't worry.
What's the plan, boss?
I'm on my way.
Come on, team. Get to work.
I leave for a few days, and the city is already a mess.
How do we do this?
We can face him directly. We need a plan.
We need to look for a weak spot and attack.
It has a respirator around his neck. I'm sure the main engine is there.
Damn it! My plasma reactors don't work. Take care of the robot, okay?
I have an idea. Tony, I need hide. You have to push me forward. If you carry me, I don't have enough mobility.
Are you crazy?
Trust me.
Well done, Hawkeye.
Thanks, boss.
Banana!